Hello students, this is Ritvik Dubey, your computer teacher. In today's video, I will discuss with you about spreadsheet formulas and functions part 3. Okay, in the first video, I had discussed about the fundamentals of Excel. Okay, how many rows are there, how many columns are there. Okay, columns are represented by headers, I mean alphabets. Rows are represented by numbers. What is the definition of a cell? Okay, what is name box, what is formula bar, all those things were covered in part 1 in that video. Okay, then in the second video I was discussing about the types of operators. Okay, the types of operators, and we had discussed arithmetic operators. Okay, plus, minus, into, divide, okay, percentage, all these things. And then we had also discussed about relational operators. Okay, if we have two values, okay, if we have two values to compare, then we make use of relational operators. In MS Excel, the relational operators are less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. Okay, in today's video class, I will discuss about logical operators. What are logical operators? See, if we have two or more relational expressions, then they are compared using logical operators. Or we can say logical operators are those operators which are used to compare two or more relational expressions. Okay, now the question arises, what is the meaning of relational expressions? Okay, so relational expressions are those expressions which contains relational operators, and the relational operators are less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, is equal to. Okay, you can see these are the two examples of relational expression. Okay, in this expression the value 10 is being compared to the value 20. Okay, whether 10 is less than 20. Okay, so in this expression I have used the relational operator less than. Okay, in the second example, or you can say second expression, the relational operator which I have used is not equal to. Okay, if we have less than, greater than, it is not called as less than, greater than, it is called as not equal to. Yes or no? Okay, now logical operators, what they do, they compare two or more relational expressions. Okay, if it is not clear, don't worry, I will discuss. See, how many types of logical operators are there? In MS Excel, there are three types of logical operators. They are logical and, logical or, logical not. Okay, so these are the three types of logical operators in MS Excel. Okay, logical and, logical or, logical not. Okay, let me give you the example of logical and. See, we had already discussed that in MS Excel, a formula starts with an equal to sign. Yes or no? So mandatorily, we will have to give is equal to. So is equal to and operator, and here you can see we have two relational expression. The first relational expression is 10 greater than 5, and the second relational expression is 15 less than 20, and both these relational expressions are separated by comma. Sir, is it mandatory that we can give only two relational expression? No, we can give as many relational expression as we want. Okay, you can give more than 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, n number of relational expressions can be given within the parenthesis of and. Clear? Clear, na? Okay. Now or, just change n to or. You can see the same structure is there, is equal to or we have to write, and within the parenthesis of or we have two relational expression. The first relational expression is 10 greater than 5, and the second relational expression is 15 less than 20. Okay. In logical not, we have written only one relational expression. Okay, clear? So logical NOT operates over only one expression. Clear? Okay, or only one yes, we can say only one expression. It is not mandatory. I will show the things to you, don't worry. Okay, I will give you the examples of each and every kind. See, logical operator AND. Let me discuss about logical operator AND. See, the structure is, first of all, we have to write is equal to AND, then opening round bracket, then closing round bracket, and this is the first relational expression, this is the second relational expression. Okay, both these relational expressions are separated by comma. Okay, so what is this? This is the first relational expression. What is this? This is the second relational expression. And what is this? This is separator. Okay, what is the task of separator or comma? It separates the two relational expressions. Okay, clear? Now you think yourself, the value 10 is greater than 5, yes or no? Yes, yes means true. Okay, so this relational expression will give true. In the previous video class, I had discussed that relational operators will always give either true or false. Okay, because it is comparing, the value 10 is greater than 5. Value 10 क्या value 5 से greater है? हाँ या ना? हाँ, हाँ मतलब true. अगर ना आता तो false होता. ठीक है? Then the second one is 20 is less than 5. 20 क्या 5 से छोटा है? गलत. Galat means false. Okay, and the complete result, okay, the complete final result will be false. Okay, the first relational expression is giving true, the second relational expression is giving false, but the whole, when AND operator is operating over true and false, we are getting false. Sir, how? Let me discuss. See, working of logical operator AND, है ना? वहां पे ये देखो, यहाँ पे रिजल्ट फॉल्स क्यों आया, है ना? आप लोगों के मन में क्वेश्चन आ रहा होगा कि पहला एक्सप्रेशन ट्रू दे रहा है, दूसरा एक्सप्रेशन फॉल्स दे रहा है, और ये एंड ऑपरेटर जब ट्रू और फॉल्स के ऊपर ऑपरेट कर रहा है तो फाइनल रिजल्ट फॉल्स आया. क्यों आया? लिसन. सो वर्किंग ऑफ लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर एंड. See, here I will explain you with the help of this table. See, the first expression, this is the first relational expression, this is the second relational expression, and over these two relational expressions, the AND operator is operating. Okay, I have written RE in short. RE means relational expression 1. RE1 means relational expression 1. RE2 means relational expression 2. Clear? So, relational expression 1, I have written true, true, false, false. And relational expression 2, under relational expression 2, I have written 4 probabilities, true, false, true, false. Okay. So, if we have two relational expressions, maximum 4 conditions will be there. The first one will be true. The first relational expression one will give true. The second one will give true. The first one will give true. The second one will give false. The first one will give false. The second one will give true. The first one will give false. The second one will give false. है ना? अगर हम दो रिलेशनल एक्सप्रेशन को ले रहे हैं तो ये 4 ही तो चांसेस हैं, 4 ही तो सिचुएशन आएंगे. पहला सिचुएशन में रिलेशनल एक्सप्रेशन 1 ट्रू देगा, ये भी ट्रू दे. दूसरा सिचुएशन हो सकता है कि ये ट्रू दे और ये फॉल्स दे दे. तीसरा सिचुएशन हो सकता है कि ये फॉल्स दे और ये ट्रू दे. और चौथा सिचुएशन हो सकता है कि ये फॉल्स दे और ये भी फॉल्स दे. तो आप लोग थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगा करके अगर सोचोगे तो ये 4 सिचुएशन को छोड़ करके पांचवा कोई सिचुएशन आएगा ही नहीं अगर दो रिलेशनल एक्सप्रेशन की बात हो रही है तो. Yes or no? If we are talking about two relational expression 1 and relational expression 2, so these are the 4 situations. The first situation true and true, second situation true and false, third situation false and true, and fourth situation false and false. Okay, now let us talk about the result. let us talk about the result. First of all, please practice the syntax of and. We have to write is equal to and, और फिर राउंड ब्रैकेट के अंदर में हम लोगों को जितने हमारे पास रिलेशनल एक्सप्रेशंस हैं सबको लिख देना है, बस कोमा को बीच में डाल देना है. क्लियर? Now how this true is coming and how this false is coming, how this false is coming, how this false is coming. So let me explain how logical operator AND works. Let me give you an example. Okay. Suppose if there are two students, okay. Yes, if there are two students, Ram and Shyam. Okay, if there are two students, Ram and Shyam, and I am the teacher. So if anybody is going to picnic, okay, if anybody is going to picnic, consider it as true. If anybody is not going to picnic, consider it as false. समझ रहे हो मैं क्या समझाना चाह रहा हूं? एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं. मान लो कि दो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, एक का नाम है राम, दूसरे का नाम है श्याम, और मैं एक टीचर हूं. ठीक है? और ये इसको छोड़ दो, अभी राम श्याम और टीचर को छोड़ दो. दो सिचुएशन है, पिकनिक जाना, पिकनिक नहीं जाना. अगर पिकनिक जाएंगे तो उसको आप लोग ट्रू समझोगे, अगर पिकनिक नहीं जाएंगे तो उसको आप लोग फॉल्स समझोगे. क्लियर? इफ आई विल गो टू पिकनिक और इफ somebody will go to picnic, consider it as true. If somebody will not go to picnic, consider it as false. Okay. Now in logical and the condition is Ritvik sir will go to picnic if both Ram and Shyam will go to picnic. मतलब ऋत्विक सर पिकनिक तभी जाएंगे जब राम भी पिकनिक जाएगा और श्याम भी पिकनिक जाएगा. तो राम, मान लो कि रिलेशनल एक्सप्रेशन 1 की जगह आप लोग राम को समझो और रिलेशनल एक्सप्रेशन 2 की जगह आप लोग श्याम को समझो. और ये जो थर्ड कॉलम है इज इक्वल टू एंड RE1 और RE2, रिलेशनल एक्सप्रेशन 1 और रिलेशनल एक्सप्रेशन 2 पे जो ये सब ऑपरेट कर रहा है, इसको समझ लो ये ऋत्विक सर. ये हो गया रिलेशनल एक्सप्रेशन 1 राम, इसको आप लोग समझ लो श्याम, और इसको आप लोग समझ लो ऋत्विक सर. तो लॉजिकल एंड में क्या है? ऋत्विक सर पिकनिक तभी जाएंगे जब राम भी पिकनिक जाएगा, श्याम भी पिकनिक जाएगा. दोनों जब पिकनिक जाएंगे तभी ऋत्विक सर जाएंगे. अगर दोनों में से एक भी नहीं जाएगा तो ऋत्विक सर नहीं जाएंगे. नाउ पिकनिक जाना मीन्स ट्रू एंड पिकनिक नहीं जाना मीन्स फॉल्स. सो इफ इट इज ट्रू मीन्स राम पिकनिक जाएगा. यहां पे भी ट्रू है, मतलब श्याम भी पिकनिक जाएगा. तो ऋत्विक सर जाएंगे कि नहीं जाएंगे? दोनों जा रहे हैं तो ऋत्विक सर भी जाएंगे. ऋत्विक सर जाएंगे मतलब ट्रू. लेकिन कंडीशन क्या था? कोई भी एक अगर नहीं गया, राम राजी हो गया. देखो सेकंड, ट्रू मीन्स राम राजी हो गया लेकिन श्याम राजी नहीं हुआ. तो जो राजी हो गया उसको समझो ट्रू, जो राजी नहीं हुआ समझो फॉल्स. तो ऋत्विक सर जाएंगे कि नहीं जाएंगे? नहीं, क्योंकि कंडीशन क्या है? if both are true, then only the result will be true. If any one operand is, or if any one relational expression is false, it will be false. Now here this is false and this is true, the result will be false. Here this is false and this is false, मतलब राम भी पिकनिक नहीं जा रहा है और श्याम भी पिकनिक जा रहा है, तो ऋत्विक सर अकेले थोड़ी जाएंगे पिकनिक, है ना? So false and false, it will give false. Clear? So this is the working of logical AND. So I conclude, if we have two relational expressions, okay, or if we can have more relational expressions also, if all the relational expressions are returning true, the first relational expression is returning true, the second relational expression is returning true, then the AND operator will give true, or else false, or else false. Clear? Clear na? Okay. Now logical OR. See, logical OR, what is the syntax? What is the syntax of logical OR? Is equal to or, then round bracket is start, round bracket close. This is the first relational expression. This is the second relational expression, and then these two relational expressions will be separated by a comma. These two relational expressions will be separated by a comma. Okay, this is relational expression one, I mean first relational expression, and this is second relational expression. Okay, and these two relational expressions are separated by comma, which is called as a separator. Okay, now you think yourself, is 10 greater than 5? क्या 10 5 से ग्रेटर है? हाँ, हाँ मीन्स ट्रू. सेकेंड वन, क्या 25 से छोटा है? गलत. गलत मीन्स फॉल्स. ओके, एंड द full result, final result will be true. Final result will be true. How, sir? In that case, it was false. So I told you na how that AND operator is working. Now it is the time to discuss how OR operator works. How OR operator works. See, working of logical operator OR. See, this is relational expression 1. This is relational expression 2. So I have already told you, if we have two relational expressions, then there are 4 situations, maximum 4 situations. True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Okay, there is no 5th situation. Only 4 situations will be there if we have two relational expressions. And this is the syntax of OR, is equal to OR. In short, I have written RE1. RE1 means relational expression 1, and RE2 means relational expression 2. Clear? Now the example, listen the example. लॉजिकल और की अगर बात करें तो सिचुएशन क्या है? उस समय लॉजिकल एंड में क्या बताया था? ऋत्विक सर पिकनिक कब जाएंगे? जब सारे के सारे बच्चे पिकनिक जाएंगे. ठीक है, लेकिन लॉजिकल और में क्या है? अगर एक बच्चा भी जाएगा, ठीक है, एक बच्चा भी जाएगा तो ऋत्विक सर चले जाएंगे. ऋत्विक सर कब नहीं जाएंगे और के सिचुएशन में? जब कोई बच्चा नहीं जाएगा. तो पिकनिक जाना मींस ट्रू, पिकनिक नहीं जाना मींस फॉल्स. बस एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द एग्जांपल. ओके, सो हियर ट्रू, ट्रू मींस पिकनिक जाएगा. कौन? राम पिकनिक जाएगा, श्याम पिकनिक जाएगा. जब दोनों जा रहे हैं तो ऋत्विक सर तो जाएंगे. सो द फाइनल रिजल्ट विल बी ट्रू. देन दिस वन, पहला वाला यानी कि राम पिकनिक जाएगा, ट्रू मींस जाएगा, फॉल्स मींस नहीं जाएगा. एक तो जा रहा है कम से कम, ट्रू. यहां पर ये नहीं जा रहा, आई मीन फॉल्स, एंड दिस वन इज ट्रू. एक तो जा रहा है इसलिए ट्रू. नाउ राम इज नॉट गोइंग, एट द सेम टाइम श्याम इज ऑल्सो नॉट गोइंग, सो ऋत्विक सर विल ऑल्सो नॉट गो. ठीक है, तो ये है लॉजिकल एंड और लॉजिकल और को समझने का तरीका. दिस इज द वे हाउ वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट और वर्किंग और फंक्शनैलिटी ऑफ लॉजिकल एंड लॉजिकल और. Okay, if the thing is not clear, please go back and watch the video once again. Okay, and note it down. Okay, note it down. Now logical operator not is equal to not. The syntax is then round bracket start, round bracket close, and we have only one relational expression, that is 10 greater than 5. Okay, 10 greater than 5. What is this? This is relational expression. And always remember, not will alter the value. If the result is true, yes or no, 10 is greater than 5 or not? Value 10 is greater than 5. Yes, yes means true. So what not will do, it will make it false. It will make it false. Okay, so logical operator not alters the value, alters the boolean value. Boolean value means true or false. Okay, always remember, true and false are called as boolean values. Okay, so what is the functionality of not? It alters the boolean value. If the value is true, so not of true is false. If the value was false, not of false would have become true. Clear? Okay, so is equal to not. Let me give you another example. Is equal to not. Within not, I have written 15 greater than 26. You see, is 15 greater than 26? No, it is false. Yes or no? So you think is equal to not of false, the answer will be true. The answer will be true. यानी कि अगर ट्रू है तो नॉट ऑपरेटर ट्रू के ऊपर ऑपरेट करने का फॉल्स दे देगा, और अगर रिलेशनल एक्सप्रेशन फॉल्स दे रहा है तो नॉट ऑपरेटर उसके ऊपर ऑपरेट करने के बाद ट्रू दे देगा. क्लियर? क्लियर? Now working of logical operator not. See, this is the relational expression. If the value is true, not operator will operate over it and return false. If the relational expression is giving false, then not operator will operate over it and give true. Okay, so not of true is false and not of false is true. It inverts the Boolean value. Clear? Now, whatever I have discussed, let me show everything to you practically, okay, in MS Excel. Let me right click and click on new and open Microsoft Excel worksheet, and let me give the name demo. Okay, let me give the name demo. Double click over it and open it. Okay. Now let me increase the size. Let me increase the size 48. Okay. Yes, this one. Now I will show it to you. Is equal to, see, 47 is greater than 10, true or false? Is equal to 47 is greater than 10, true. So it is true. Okay, now within the formula bar, you can see the formula which was given by me. Okay, here I will get the result is equal to 47 greater than 10. The answer is true. Here I'm getting the result. Within the cell, I'm getting the result, but the formula we can see in formula bar. I hope the thing is clear. Yes or no? Okay. Now, what if we have more than two expressions? Is equal to, and let me write the first relational expression. 10 is greater than 5, comma. 45 is less than 100. And let me click on enter. You will get true. Now you can see in the formula bar, I have written is equal to and 10 greater than 5. Okay. Let me copy this. Copy. Let me open Notepad. Control V. Yes. So this was the formula which was written by me. Let me increase the font size, format font. 28 will be fine. Yes. So this was the formula written by me is equal to and round bracket start, round bracket close, and then a separator. And this is the first relational expression. This is the second relational expression. So the first relational expression was giving what? 10 greater than 5, true. And 45 is less than 100, true. So true and true will give true. The final result will be true. What if I make one expression false? 45 is greater than 100. 45 is greater than 100. Now let me copy this. Okay, let me copy this and paste it here. Now I have written, in the second example, I have written what is equal to and 10 greater than, yes, 10 greater than 5 and 45 greater than 100. See, 10 greater than 5, true or false? True. But 45, is it greater than 100? No, it is false. So what is the task of and? If any one relational expression will give false, the final result will be false. है ना, यहाँ पे दो रिलेशनल एक्सप्रेशन है, ये पहला रिलेशनल एक्सप्रेशन है और ये दूसरा रिलेशनल एक्सप्रेशन है. ठीक है, पहला रिलेशनल एक्सप्रेशन सच है या गलत है? 10 is greater than 5. Yes or no? 10 is greater than 5. True. Okay. But the second relational expression is 45 is greater than 100. True or false? It is false. तो अगर एक भी अगर false होगा ना, तो फाइनल रिजल्ट क्या आएगा बच्चों? फाइनल रिजल्ट false आएगा, क्योंकि एंड ऑपरेटर इसी तरीके से काम करता है. एंड ऑपरेटर फाइनल रिजल्ट में ट्रू तभी देगा जब सारे के सारे एक्सप्रेशन ट्रू होंगे. ठीक है, सारे के सारे एक्सप्रेशन, रिलेशनल एक्सप्रेशन क्या देंगे? ट्रू. तभी जाके वो ट्रू देगा. नहीं तो अगर एक भी अगर फॉल्स देगा तो फाइनल रिजल्ट विल बी फॉल्स. फाइनल रिजल्ट विल बी फॉल्स. क्लियर? ओके. नाउ let me write or here. Let me write or. Enter. See, here I am getting true. Now let me copy this and paste it there. Okay, paste it there. Now you can see is equal to or, round bracket start, round bracket close. See, this is the first relational expression and this is the second relational expression separated by a comma. The first relational expression is 10 greater than 5. You say 10 is greater than 5, true or false? True. But 45, is it greater than 100? False. But the final result which we are getting is true in case of OR. Why? Because the functionality of OR is, even if one relational expression is giving true, the final result will be true. ठीक है, रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर सॉरी लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर और का फंक्शनलिटी क्या है? अगर बहुत सारे एक्सप्रेशंस होंगे राउंड ब्रैकेट के अंदर, ठीक है, और कोई भी एक अगर ट्रू होगा तो फाइनल रिजल्ट ट्रू होगा. क्लियर ना? ओके. Now what if both are false? Let me show. What if both are false? 10 is less than 5. Okay, 10 is less than 5. Enter. Now it is false. Why? Because both the relational expressions are giving false. Let me copy it and show it to you. Where is notepad? Yes, you can see. Is equal to or, round bracket start, round bracket close. Okay, this is the relational expression 1. This is the relational expression 2. You say the first relational expression is giving true or false. 10 is less than 5. False. 45 is greater than 100. False. So if all the relational expressions are giving false, the final result will be false by the OR operator. Is this clear? Is this clear? Okay. Now, let me remove this. And let me write NOT, not 10 greater than 5. Not 10 greater than 5. Enter. False. Why is it false? Let me explain. Okay. See, is equal to not 10 greater than 5. This is the format. Is equal to not, then round bracket start, round bracket close, and one relational expression. So forget about not. Okay. You tell me 10 is greater than 5. It is true or false? 10 is greater than 5. True or false? It is true. Now is equal to not. When not is operating over true, the final result we are getting false. The final result we are getting false. Because not of true is false and not of false is true. If I will make it 10 is less than 5, we will get true. Why? Let me explain. Let me copy this and let me paste it here. See, is equal to not, then round bracket start, round bracket close, and then one relational expression. Okay, you tell me 10, the value 10, is it less than 5? It is false. If it is false, but not is operating over false, and thus it is returning true. Is this clear? Okay, logical and, logical or, and logical not. I hope the thing is clear. Okay, watch this video once again. The things will be cleared. Okay, don't worry. If there is any doubt, please ask. So thank you so much for watching this video.